Hello, students, and welcome back to another class of beginner level ESL class. Today, we're going to continue working on location unit. In the previous video, we learned new vocabulary related to the classroom items like globe, something like textbook, right? Pen, pencil, bulletin board, something like that. So today, we're actually starting a new lesson, lesson one, and we're going to learn about this preposition on. Okay, we're gonna learn on. So, I want you to take a look at those two images over here. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so you can see it better. Okay, so I want you to tell me what is happening to those images. Okay, let me adjust that real quick. Okay, so we have a book, right? A book. And then next we have this is a pen. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it is a pen. And then we have this white thing, which is a table, right? This is table. Okay, so what is the relationship between a book and a table on number one? What is happening? Think about it in your head, and maybe we can use on. Let me show you. In the case of number one, a book is on the table. Sorry, it just popped up. Okay, a book is on the table. And why can we say that? Because the book is physically touching the surface of the table. Okay? So we can use on, the preposition on, whenever an item or a person, it doesn't matter. It could be a person, it could be an animal, it could be an item. Items like pen, phones, water cup, right? Person like me, human being, or an animal like meow, cat. This is my cat over here. So cat, something like that. So it can be anything. It is not limited to any item or it's not limited to anything specific. It is for everything. Okay. And for on, it's important to note, I will move this page a little bit up, okay, over here. It's important to know that the item is physically touching the surface of another item, okay? So if the item is physically touching the surface, for example, in number one over here, this book is physically touching the table, which means that this book, a book, is on the table. Okay? All right. How about number two? Knowing that number one is a book is on the table. What would it be for number two? Think about it. Maybe if you need to pause the video, do so. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so for number two, answer would be a pen is on the table. A pen is on the table. It's the same thing. Pen is physically touching the table, which means that we can use on, the preposition on, okay? So a pen is on the table. It's physically touching, okay? I'm going to show this one more time since this is very important that we can use on if and only if the item is physically touching the table or the surface, right? It doesn't have to be a table. Maybe I can say a pen is, what is happening? A pen is, okay. A pen is on my hand, on Coco's hand, right? So this pen is physically resting, right? It is not hovering. It is not on my hand. It is here, and it is physically touching. I can confirm that because I can feel the pen over here. So, um, if an item is physically touching, then we can use on. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so we are going to work on this exercise number two over here. It says work with your classmates. you're watching that at home, so don't worry too much about that. How about go to your dining room table? Maybe how about go to, I don't know, maybe go to a cafe or go to a grocery store, go to anywhere where there is a table. Find a table first, okay? And once you find a table, I want you to point at things and describe things using on, the preposition on. For example, we can use this example sentence. Item, something like phone, pen, water bottle, let's see, paper, something like that, is on the table. A pen is on the table. Something like that. Anything you see, I'm sure there is at least something that is on the table. I want you to practice using on to describe things, okay? So that will be the homework until the next video. Thanks for watching. You are learning English with Coco, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.